Yay, we just left Spain behind. Clay is in it anyways. And now we're heading towards Morocco. There's the coast of, I actually don't know what city.
Something's a T.
Something with a T?
Yeah.
I think that's where we're going. We're going to Tetuan.
No.
No, we're not going directly to Tetuan.
We can't go.
Something with a T.
Something with a T. There's Emmett. This is Gibraltar's Rock! Oh my god, it's so windy! Wait, guys, lean forward. Came back up to the top of the deck because I was feeling really nauseous. The wind died down a lot since we're sideways.
Yeah.
Hello, Ryan.
My hair like is my hair like wavy-ish?
No, it's fine. Finally pulling into the Morocco harbor of blank city. I might remember it eventually. No, Tetuan's the city we're going to.
Oh, okay.
I know what this is, a different city. What time is it? Oh, it's not only, that was only 9:30. That wasn't bad. That was only an hour.